Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to highlight text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. So for example, we have a screenshot here and we are going to highlight this line. Now we will click on the rectangle tool and highlight the area of the text we want to highlight. Then go to the Effects Control panel and select Multiply Blend Mode from here. Now set opacity to 50 and then select a highlight color. Now we need to set our anchor point to the beginning of the text or sentence so our highlighters start from the beginning. Click on the anchor point and drag the blue circle to the start of your text and uncheck Uniform Scale under Scale. Now bring scale width down to 0 and click on the stopwatch icon. Now move your slider and the desired duration and adjust the scale width to that so your entire text is highlighted. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.